Kung 75, isip bonus year. Pero atong naon-naon niya nata sa party area. So, pareho man ta, 74 po, 75 ka. So, ato lang iampo nga God willing nga magpagpagita sa 80 siguro. Accept ba? Ilan ba? Okay. So, happy birthday.
Ate Doreen, happy birthday. Adyo to magmahay na ako karang nila. I share your happiness. Kita ko na yung mga apo na nagsayo-sayo, no? Sus ka na maning naghanganak di ay o naghangako. You're so blessed by all these children, godchildren, no? Invite mo sila sa gawin kayo. Makita po ka na enjoying the night and you know mo, kabot ako 75 years, but we wish that you will have more birthdays to come. Kaya pala, maraming mag-aalaga sa iyo. Didig, isa mo na paano mag-alaga sa iyo. At didig, sabi nila, behind the man is the woman. So, pagkaling din ang pag-alaga niyo, mama, didig. So, para sa iyo again, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. May you have peace, joy, good health. Thank you. Good evening. Tita Marie. Dong, happy birthday. Ayun, unexpected ko na rin siguro na natingala mo kung anong niapo din karong gabi. Siyempre, because of Mr. Sega, dahil ko karon. So, Dong, wala kong kalimut sa atong mga together ni sa assessment branch before. We work together for mga 5 years siguro until na transfer mo sa RDO, di ba? So, ma-remember ako si Dodong Toon na playboy din, kaya ingat sa akong anak. Mami, gwapo lagi na siya, kaya lang playboy. Playboy daw, kasi pogi si Dodong. Kaya, karon Dong, makita na ko yung mga apo na talagang you are really blessed, no? At least at your age, 75, then you are a fulfilled man. And you are blessed because of your children, your grandchildren. And I know how you struggled before. I was a witness to that. But we can see now that really your life is a fulfilled life. So happy birthday, Dong. I wish you more lives in the years to come. May you have healthy life as you go on, and healthy and happy one at last. Thank you. May God bless you.
Tululuwa on
We'd like to request our Uncle Boy, Lolo Handsome ng mga apo. Slowly na siya naglalakad. Going strong pa rin.
Happy birthday, Mr. Rogelio Paragol Roger, as Ate Dilig. Want to call him. Di ba, Roger, no? Roger man. I remember no, na he was once Saldi Zornak of the land. Yun, patay si Ate. The rest is history. Siyempre bata pa man ako. 6 years man ako kasal na sila, tapos pasyal sila sa bahay. Siya may author, pogi talaga kung magdala ng damit. Hindi ko nabilib ako. Tapos may sinabi pa yan sa kung magpatahi ka ang pantalon, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, di baston. Di ba? Di baston ang itong panahon na di baston ng mga flag. But again, I thank the Lord God for giving you another life. You have minimum birthdays na lang. Roger? Sige.
And then, si Ming, nandito na. Ming, hindi ako na kayo.
Ako gyud. Ako gyud.
Yes.
Ako gyud.
Si Ming is the daughter of Ate Inday.
Jan.
God. Bawal mag-iyak. Birthday. Iyak apa? Thank you. Kami lahat. More birthday.
Si Engel, representative ng Engel.
Cole.
Kel, happy birthday. Thank you for, as the second father, you've taught me to be strong, responsible. And the last time we've talked, ang hindi ko makalimutan is yung sinabi mong, kung ayaw yun, fight yun ta. Ato yung ilaban ng atong pamilya. And for that, Kel, I may have some success in life, and you are part of it. Who I am as a person right now, as a father, some of those things that you've taught me, naging sa kuha.
Oh no.
Every time magkita ta sa downtown, always, kasi sa San Pedro, usahay mabutag 20 minutes, magsitag istorya. The reason na I always see good things in life, it's because of what you've always said. You always have some words of wisdom na always yun ma-remember na to. When I was young, mingon juga kay Kuya Bubot sa akong mga igagaw na ayaw ninyong awaya sa Ingil at kay pamilya na na anak na sa kumangmo, dapat alagaan na na. Second is pagdako na ko, ang imo yung game sa sakwa is being responsible to everything. And you always taught me na always prioritize ang family. Even though may mga problems, pero at the end of the day, you always say good things about. At the end of the day, pamilya kita, hindi pwede nga mag-watak-watak. And for that, Kel, thank you. Happy birthday.